Imagine controlling a DC motor completely wirelessly using a joystick, no Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi and almost zero delay. As you push the joystick forward, the motor speeds up in the forward direction. Pull it backward and the motor instantly reverses with proportional speed. You can even toggle an LED remotely with joystick button. In this video, I will show you how to build this entire project step by step using an ESP8266, two NRF modules, an Arduino UNO and an L293D motor driver. So let's get started. For this project, you will need ESP8266 NodeMCU, Arduino UNO, NRF modules, L293D motor driver, DC motor, joystick module, LED module, jumper wires, breadboard, and lithium-ion batteries. Let's begin with the transmitter circuit. Connect the joystick VCC pin to VN pin of the ESP8266. Connect the joystick analog output to the ESP8266 A0 pin and the joystick switch to digital pin D3. Now connect the NRF module. Connect VCC to 3.3 volt, ground to ground, CE to D4, CSN to D8, SCK to D5, MOSI to D7 and MISO to D6 pin of the ESP8266. Now let's build the receiver. Connect the second NRF to the Arduino UNO. VCC goes to 3.3 volt, ground to ground, CE to digital pin 9, CSN to digital pin 10, SCK to pin 13, MOSI to pin 11, MISO to pin 12. Next, connect the L293D motor driver. E and A connects to Arduino pin 5, and 1 connects to pin 6, and 2 connects to pin 7. Connect the motor to the output terminals of the L293D motor driver. Provide an external power supply to the motor driver according to your motor voltage requirements and make sure all ground are connected together. Finally, connect an LED module to digital pin 4 of the Arduino UNO. Now open the Arduino IDE, upload the transmitter sketch to ESP8266 NodeMCU. Next, upload the receiver sketch to Arduino UNO. After both boards power up, the NRF module automatically establishes communication. Let's test the project. As you can see, when the joystick is in the center position, the motor remains stopped. Now I will slowly push the joystick forward. Notice how the motor starts rotating in the forward direction and the speed increasing smoothly as I move the joystick further. Now I will pull the joystick backward. The motor immediately changes direction and again speed up gradually based on the joystick position. Finally, watch the LED. Every time I press the joystick button, the LED turns on. Press it again and it turns off. All of this communication happens wirelessly to the NRF modules with very low latency. Here is what happening behind the scene. The ESP8266 continuously reads the joystick position and the button state. These values are packed into a small data packet and transmitted through the NRF modules. The Arduino UNO receives this packet, extract the joystick value and calculate both the motor direction and speed. Using PWM, it adjusts the motor speed with the L293 motor driver, changes the motor direction. Whenever the joystick button is pressed, the Arduino toggles the LED state. This creates a responsive and reliable wireless control system. I hope you enjoyed building this wireless joystick control motor project. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss upcoming Arduino, ESP32, ESP8266, robotics and IoT projects. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next project.